Is this tiger an omnivore, a herbivore, or a carnivore?
Uh, the tiger is kind of cute.
Yeah, I know. Is it carnivore, herbivore, or omnivore?
Copy.
What do you think?
He likes eating leaves.
So it is a...
Omnivore. He's a carnivore, no omnivore.
No, I think he's a carnivore. Because he eat other animals. I don't think tigers eat leaves.
He ate the leaf for real. He likes it. Look, he ate leaves. Look how he ate the leaves. For real. How can the tiger eat the leaves? How?
But it doesn't eat leaves, does it?
He ate the leaves already. Look at it. Look at this kind of. He ate the leaf for real.
Let me see. Oh! Because it got the green stuff under its... Oh, I see. Oh, come on.
See, I told you it ate the leaves.
Sort of. You're kind of right.
Dad ate the leaves. Oh my gosh.
And what's the lion about to do? The lion's about to bite the tiger or what?
A lion versus the tiger. The lion versus the double tiger. Okay. Good day for railback and begins. KO. Ow! Ow! Oh.
Don't pull it out.
He's KO. Whoever's KO.
Who made this rainforest? You or Miss Deborah?
Me?
Oh, that's lovely. Where did you get the leaves from? Because I remember giving you fresh leaves, not this.
Gave this card box thing?
I gave you the cardboard, but the leaves, where'd you get them? Oh, there's a shoe. I didn't see this mine right here. What's that?
Pterodactyl. You were trying to act. I know. You were trying to. You said you would like to try to act it as a bat. So.
Oh, okay. I want it to look like a bat. Yeah. You want it to be a bat since we don't have a bat, right?
We don't have a bat.
Yeah. So that's gonna be like our bat.
The devil bat. Okay. It's a pterodactyl known as bat. See. Oh my gosh, the bat is not help. I can't